breaking news, flooding in Punta Gorda tonight after a staggering 5 inches of rain in just a few hours. We really need the rain, but this was too much in a short amount of time. Good evening, I'm Peter Bush.
And I'm Christy Soto. We have live team coverage of tonight's wild weather. Gulf Coast News reporter Edward Franco is live in Punta Gorda, but we begin with Chief Meteorologist Allison Ray. Allison, this seemed more like a summer thunderstorm, not something we'd get in March.
Well, that's exactly really what it was. We had a summer-like pattern for today. Big thunderstorms that stalled out and created near 5 inches of rain. Now, this is 41. We're zoomed in here to basically downtown Punta Gorda, East Charlotte Ave, East Olympia Ave, about 5 inches. That's where kind of the hot spot was. Once you zoom out, we had much less than that. We had about 3 inches of rain in Punta Gorda Isles, but still significant. This was beneficial rain when you after the fact, but really way too much at once, causing those flooding concerns. Near the airport, near 3.5 inches of rain. Over west of Port Charlotte, we had about 2.5 inches of rain, and near Murdoch, about 1 inch of rain. Also, we had some strong storms near Fort Ogden with some very gusty winds, near 3 inches of rain just east of Fort Ogden, about 1.5 inches there. We also had a little bit of rain near North Fort Myers, about 1 inch of rain. Cape Coral, not so much today. You got some yesterday. Near the Forum, we had about 1 inch of rain as well. And then the one lone shower for Collier County picked up about 1.5 inches of rain near Vanderbilt Beach Road. That's east of 75, about 1 inch near Immokalee and Collier. This summer pattern is going to be back for tomorrow. So is it going to impact your Friday plans or your weekend plans? We'll kind of time that out for you. But in the meantime, we are dry for the rest of tonight.
More new video tonight of the rain across Punta Gorda. Hail was even spotted in some areas. Gulf Coast News reporter Edward Franco continues our team coverage. He is live in downtown Punta Gorda.
The roads looked very different here just a few hours ago by Marion Avenue and US 41 in Punta Gorda. You can see some of the puddles still here. But earlier today, when the Celtic Ray Public House saw the rain and the torrential downpour here, the water, the manager tells me, reached up to their front door. Take a look at the video they got from those moments where the puddles, the water was just crazy all over the street. You can see some of the cars and trucks trying to get through. Deputies were here trying to handle crowd and the traffic control, but also they tell me that the water also reached the back of their patio. It filled up a little bit there. The carpet's there. When I stepped over them, you can hear that water in the carpet. And people tell me here they saw that and they thought it was just surprising to see.
In March, I've never seen any kind of rain in March, except maybe a shower, but a storm like this I have never seen.
As you can see, it's a very different scene right now. The roads are clearing up, and we also got reports from viewers who saw hail fall in small sizes from the sky throughout that storm. But this is a scene now, since the roads are clear, that the drainage here was working out. And as Peter said earlier, the rain is very much needed, but in this quality, it might have been a little bit too much. Reporting live in Punta Gorda, I'm Edward Franco, Gulf Coast News.
Make sure you have the Gulf Coast News app downloaded so you can know right away when there are flood advisories in your area. The app is free. Just make sure to turn on those notifications.